Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm psyched for you. And today we're diving into another fascinating topic: how our relationships and connections with others can profoundly impact our biology and overall well-being. You might be surprised by just how much influence the people around us have on our mental and physical health. Pain is an inevitable part of the human experience, but we really don't have to endure it alone. As highly social creatures, we have an invaluable resource at our disposal, and that is each other. As always, let's start with some intriguing research. Did you know that the presence of others can influence our biological functions? For instance, a mother's soothing voice can stabilize her preterm infant, leading to fewer cardiorespiratory events. Similarly, holding a spouse's hand can reduce the brain's response to the threat of an electric shock. These are just a few examples of how supportive relationships can help us live longer, healthier, and happier lives. Neuroscientist Lisa Feldman Barrett explains this phenomenon beautifully in her book 7.5 Lessons About the Brain. She describes how our brains are constantly interacting with each other, managing our body budgets, which is the way our brain regulates biological resources like water, glucose, salt, and oxygen. Through our interactions, we make deposits and withdrawals in each other's body budgets, essentially tuning and pruning our neurons. Isn't that amazing? Our interactions can literally shape our brains. So a loving hug from a friend can add to their body budget, while a hurtful insult from a colleague might take away from yours. This concept underscores the importance of positive, supportive relationships. But why is this the case? Why do humans have such a profound need for psychosocial support? Researchers suggest that this behavior has evolutionary roots. Emotions, particularly those related to distress like grief, shame, fear, and anger, evolved as responses to social dynamics. These emotions helped our ancestors approach opportunities for survival and avoid threats. Emotions and their regulations are inherently social. We don't just regulate our emotions within ourselves, we also do so between individuals. This is where mechanisms like empathy, perspective taking, and mentalization come into play. They help us console, comfort, and support each other, which is crucial for our psychological healing. Words play a significant role in this process. Think about the last time words changed how you felt, whether they calmed you or made you angry. According to Feldman Barrett, our language network not only processes language but also controls our bodily functions, such as heart rate and immune system responses. This means that the words we use daily can regulate our own and others' bodies. Now, let's talk about collective healing. Thomas Hübl, an expert in collective trauma, explains that healing often takes place in relations to others. By engaging with others, we can better understand our cognitive, emotional, and behavioral patterns. This relational space provides access to collective wisdom and intelligence, essential for overcoming trauma. Hübl emphasizes the importance of attunement, a process of deeply feeling and listening to each other. Attuned relational environments signal safety, nourishing both individuals and their relationships. These healthy relational ecosystems, including our networks of family, friends, and colleagues, acts as extensions of our immune system. So how can we foster individual and collective well-being? Hübl suggests reflecting on the various relational ecosystems we are part of. What aspects of these relationships are uplifting and joyful? What feels heavy and draining? By paying attention to these dynamics, we can start to create an awareness that leads to healing. In essence, our connections with others are vital for our healing journey. By engaging with our relationships mindfully, we not only improve our own well-being, but also contribute to the well-being of future generations. Healing can become a part of our purpose, enriching our lives and the lives of those around us. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Psyched for You for more insights into psychological concepts. See you next time. Remember, we heal in relation. Let's continue to support and uplift each other on this journey. Take care, stay informed, and remember to look out for one another.